All right, so these are the 2 digits what Amazon that Malcolm is talking about. So 1580, 1340, 3682, etc., etc. And I don't know with any high degree of certainty what last 2 digits work best on Amazon. And the reason for that is Amazon does not give us access to be able to perform what's called A/B tests. So on an A/B test, all things being equal, I would run my product on Amazon and I would have 2 different price points, so 1580 and 1599 for instance, and I would wait and see which one of those 2 price points results in the most sales. So that would be what's called an A/B test. Amazon does not let us do that. There is some software out there called Splitly that alleges that it lets you do that, but it really doesn't do it properly. So the best I can do is I can tell you based on all the other websites that we do at Raw Local, and we do a lot of A/B tests at Raw Local across different websites. So the best I can do is give you that, and then we can simply extrapolate out that all things being equal, it's possibly the case it works on Amazon too. So I'll give you what I know about pricing based on other websites, but I can't give you specifics about Amazon. First, most important thing is your last 2 digits, they should be digits that go lower, so go down rather than go up. So what do I mean by that? So it's best to have your digits like this, like if it was, let's see if I can find one. Like here, for instance, 82, well, that's a number that goes 8 high and then 2 low. So that's good. Whereas 37, 36, 37, generally speaking, is not good because it gives you the impression the price is going up, 36, 37, rather than coming down, 36, 82. So it's the lower number at the end, all right? So all things being equal, in straight A/B tests, lower numbers at the end convert better. So 75, 85, 95 tends to convert better than, for instance, 89, 79, etc. So all things being equal, that tends to convert better. Second thing that we find about price is there are psychological breakpoints in price, and they come at $14.99, and then the next price barrier psychological breakpoint is $19.99. So $19.99. So if you've got a product and your product sells for $15.50, then there is not a lot of psychological resistance between $15.50 and $19.99. So if you are going to sell at $15.50, it is well worth testing it at $19.99 because in the general, all things being equal, there's not much psychological resistance between those 2 price points. So your price break points are $14.99, $19.99, $24.99, $29.99, $47.95, $54.95, $67.95. So they're your price points, break points. And if you're selling on Amazon, it is well worth testing those to see how that affects your sales, because if it works like it works on other websites, it can have a profound impact on your profits. It's just instant profit to your bottom line for you. And as I said, there's not much psychological breakpoint. So this price here, for instance, 36.37, well, in your mind, in the minds of a shopper, there's not much difference between that price and $39.99. So if they're going to charge that price, they may as well try $39.99 and see what happens. So that's pricing strategy as it applies to Amazon, extrapolated out from all the work we've done on other websites. But unfortunately, as I said, Amazon doesn't give us API access, so we're unable to do a proper A/B split test, which sucks, but it's just the way it is. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie online entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.